Hey everybody, I'm Robert the Zombie Bargain Hunter, and today I'm going to be meeting up with my tour guide today, and then afterwards I think I'm going to be heading to the swap meet. So come along, we'll have some fun, hopefully find a lot of plush. I do have a food guide there that every week I come down, and he has like 50-cent Monsters and 50-cent Red Bulls and like chips for 10 cents. I mean, he has crazy deals on food and beverages, so I'll take you over there to meet him. All right, let's get going. All right, so I just finished my tour guide. You can see I am completely packed up. I do have a little bit of room there, so I can go to the swap meet and get a bunch of plush or snacks or whatever I find at the swap meet. Hopefully my snack guys or my snack and drink guys there. Like I said, he's really inexpensive, and it's fun to get a lot of different things from him. But anyways, yeah, I paid about a little over $4 for this. Completely full to the brim. My car is stuffed. He says there's actually some Funkos in there, so there's some limited edition and Comic-Con exclusive Funkos. So, love my Funkos when they sell. Let's check out some of the stuff that I have. Alright, let's just check out a couple boxes while we're sitting here. This is Microverse. I've talked about these. I don't even know how they sell. These are so tiny. Look at that. They're about a half an inch, if that. I mean, but hey, I've sold them in the past, so I'm not gonna knock them. Got the Joker mobile. Cool. Love the cars. We got Podcast Pals. That's Kevin Smith. Okay. I don't know if those are worth anything, but okay. Another Microverse. People love these things. I think that they're crazy. I think people just keep buying them because they keep losing the little figures that are in the sets. You got a Bat Signal Jet. Oh, that's a nice one. Ice Battle Batman. Nice little figure. I'm sure she get some good money for that one. And what is this? It is stuck in here. I'm trying to get it out. Oh yeah. Let's see. Rogues Gallery. Oh, let's see if I can turn it. Precinct 9. Adventures of Batman and Robin. There's two in there? There's Batman and Robin, maybe? I don't know. Or is it stuck together? No, it's separate, so alright. Alright, got another box down here. Here's Teen Titans. Did pretty well with the other ones, so hopefully do pretty well with that one. Rock Candy, Suicide Squad. Never had luck with Rock Candy, but hey, you never know. Sometimes things are worth more, and you don't really know it. So hopefully when I look it up, it's worth way more than I thought. Claw Climber Batman. Deluxe Crime Master Edition. Okay. Spectrum of the Bat. These things do very well. These DC Universe 3-packs. I believe the last one I sold for like $60. I know I showed the Ventriloquist one. That one sold for $101. That was through the last What Sold video, if you saw that. Another DC Universe 3-pack. Got another Spectrum. Oh, look at this guy. Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Augustus Gloop. With, what is that thing? What the heck? That like a chocolate tree? What is that? That thing looks nasty. Alright, let me show you one more box and then we'll get on to the swap meet. This is Iron Man Whirlwind. With a bunch of X-Men and I don't know who that is. War Star. Don't remember that guy. Fantastic Four. These should be super popular when the Fantastic Four movie comes out. If the character is in the movie, of course. Whirlwind. Spiral. Another Spiral. This is Psylocke. So yeah, we got... there you go. So yeah, and then I haven't made any progress at all. I got about 30 more boxes back there. So let's get on to the swap meet. That's just a glimpse of my haul. So if you want to see more, watch my What's Sold videos. Alright, let's get going to this swap meet, see what else I can find. Alright, just got here. You can see it's pretty nice turnout here. There's cars everywhere. There's the swap meet way back there. Let's get in. There you go. It's Macklin Open Air Market. Open Saturday and Sundays, 7:30 to 2:30 p.m. There you go. Beanie Babies, $5. How much are your toys? Yeah? How much are your toys? The toys. $4? How about this guy? Thank you. I usually have toys around for like 50 cents, so we'll find some. Got some toys over there. I got a bag of toys already. Got them for 50 cents each. The big one I got for $1, but like what the heck. But the music was too loud, so I couldn't record. But see how much these are. Beware of stuff like this. These are all fake. So I wouldn't even ask the price on these. Every one of them is fake. I won't even look at their other stuff because I won't trust it. Yeah, once I see stuff like that, I won't even go to the rest of their store because it's just ridiculous. That whole rack was fake. Not one of those were real. I did find a bag full of plush, 50 cents a piece. A couple of them are $1. I'll show you when I get to the car. Alright, let's keep going. Alright, I am back in the car. Let me show you what I got. Found about 3 or 4 plush places that are selling for like 50 cents. Normally I just go ahead and buy them all out, but I don't have the room. You can see I'm completely packed from the toy guy, so I don't have the room, so I kind of just like picked over what I wanted. I got this guy, a little Bucky Beaver. I don't know what he's worth. I've never had one. I figured probably about 20 bucks, but I have no idea. Got this guy's pretty big. It's from The Incredibles. The boy, I don't remember his name. Let me know in the comments. Got this motorized spinning bunny rabbit. It plays kung fu fighting and spins the whatever this thing is. The nunchuck. Yeah, that's it. I have the cat version, and It's hilarious. Let's see.
Everybody was drunk
Oh, it's stuck. There it goes. So yeah, I believe I paid $1 for this one. I didn't know what this guy was, but when I don't know and they're old, I just buy it. Because, hey, you never know when you run into a gen. It says Topo Gijo. It sounds familiar. I don't remember what it is. But hopefully it's worth some money. I mean, it's only 50 cents, so take a chance on it. Found blue. Probably can sell for like $18. Got these guys. There's a set of 2 of these. 50 cents for both of them, so a quarter a piece. Those go for $15 or so all the time. Let's see. Don't remember what this guy says. Jif Palm Cute Life. It's a cute little doggy. Got this for $1. It's a big old like dragon puffball. It is from, I don't know. What are you from? Whatever, I'll look him up. I'm sure I can get 20 out of him because he's pretty big. You can see he's pretty big. Got a little Cole's Care whale. Sold a bunch of these. They don't go for more than like $16, but hey, for 50 cents, why not? Found this old school guy. I have his pants in there. They fell off. He's pretty naked. Sorry for flashing you. But I got 2 of him. Not sure how she got 2 of them, but let's try to show you one with pants. Here you go. There's one with pants. What else did I get? Got this little cute little fox thing from In Motion Design. Don't know why I got that, but I did. That is pretty much it for the plush, and I got some. Let me show you this. Got some cherries. Needed some cherries for home, and I got some apricots. Unfortunately, the guy I usually get drinks from and snacks and all that, he wasn't there this week, unfortunately. But yeah, well, probably fortunately, because I probably would have bought a lot. I usually buy a lot because I mean he'll have like Red Bull for 50 cents and Monsters for a quarter to 50 cents, and I usually buy a ton from him, so kind of glad he's not there. Save my money. But anyways, hope you enjoy the video. Please give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. And don't fiddle fart around. Get all your listings up. I got a lot to list and a bunch of toys to clean. Take care, guys.